I'm Elliott.
I'm Rowan.
I'm from the southeast of England. I'm 34 years old.
Southeast of England, 34 years old, with twins. Same place. Well, it was Elliott actually. He shaved his hair. So
Yeah, one day
he checked in the mirror and he thought it was thinning, and the next thing I know,
I buzz cutted it all off
and
said, look, we're going
turned
bald.
up to me and he was bald, and I was like, oh god, and I saw angles of his head that I should never have seen, and like all the back bit, and then we sort of monitored it for a while and
Stuck with it.
and we waited and weren't sure, and then yeah, we've got a friend who came and used Smile, and he's gone from looking the oldest in his barber shop, and now he looks the youngest. He's got a lovely
barnet on it.
Yeah.
If we go lower, it will be on the muscle and it will not look good.
Yeah.
As well, when you go to do your shoes and stuff, and we're quite customer facing in our business, so even just they might not even care, but it's what you know.
It's in your mind.
And as you bend down, you think, and also because we're twins, I know that mine's the same as his and his is the same as, so I see that of him all the time.
Yeah, often you could go through your life and
you could go through and you
notice.
wouldn't notice. You wouldn't think what other people are thinking, but you see.
He
I'll see
reaches-
him bend down.
he
or we-
reaches down in his tall
or we're
bag
at the
and-
gym and he goes to lay down on a bench and I can see his bald head and I'm like, oh, that's what people must see of me.
Yeah.
Only recently people were
Yeah,
saying
my
that.
hair loss must have been worse.
Yeah, his must have just been going a little bit worse because people were saying.
Hey, how are you? How's it going? Is everything okay? Welcome here. Using some inhalers for that, but not regularly.
No.
This is your first and of the last hair transplant surgery. You don't have any bleeding disorders?
No.
No fainting episode? Cell. Your muscle is bigger.
Yeah, our barber, he cuts our hair. Well, we always used to go in, didn't we? After Elliott noticed that we were losing our hair, we would always go into the barber and we would joke more and more. At first, they were like, nah, you're not losing it. And then slowly but surely, so you couldn't pay them enough to tell you sweet nothings anymore.
Yeah.
It was what it was.
But
And then because we noticed it, our barber noticed it as well, but he was losing his even more.
And then we spoke to him, we were training for triathlon and he was also training for it, but he managed to get this done and still continue his training.
Yeah,
So I thought,
he still managed to do his training. He still didn't even look bad while it was done. And now, a year on, his hair is like,
full head of hair,
you'd never know.
no scarring, yeah, it's all good.
And he even said, he went to us literally the other week, he said, but the scarring in the back, and he thought it was a problem. And he rolled his hair up like that, couldn't see anything.
No.
It was honestly,
Who is the biggest? Who is the older?
I'm oldest. How's it better? No, I was surprised.
Still not had any pain.
I was surprised at how comfortable it's been since.
Yeah. Slept well.
I was worried about the sleep. The sleep was absolutely fine with the neck pillow that you guys provide. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, got a lot of
We've got all of our
information.
info, all of our products, everything.
Treatment pack.
Everything gets laid out to you anyway, but then we've also got a booklet that you can just sort of recap, like double check
at your own
notes.
leisure, you can read. But once I woke up and I was a little bit turned, and I thought, I'm not going back to sleep just in case.
Yeah.
Follow the true
transformation.
One more.
Was it? Follow the true transformation.
Follow the true transformation. That's it, yeah? Follow the true transformation.
Smile haircut.
Smile Clinic.
Follow the true transformation at Smile Hair
Smile
Clinic.
Clinic.
That's Smile Hair Clinic. Yeah, Smile Hair Clinic.
Smile Hair Clinic. Right, one more.
One more. 3, 2.
Follow the true transformation at Smile Hair Clinic.
That's